the big story today, of course, is the landslide historic victory for Nitish Kumar and Lalu Prasad Yadav's Mahagathbandhan or Grand Alliance in Bihar. The alliance has got a massive 178 seats out of 243 in the Bihar Assembly, the halfway mark being 122, while the NDA, led by the BJP, has been decimated to just 58 seats. If we look at the party-wise breakup, however, a very, very interesting picture emerges, and that shows that it is Lalu Prasad Yadav's RJD that has emerged as the single largest party. Nitish Kumar will be, though, the next Chief Minister of Bihar. The interesting thing to see would be whether Lalu will insist on one of his sons or perhaps his daughter becoming Deputy CM. Also, if you look at the party-wise breakup, the Congress has done particularly well in this election, something that perhaps many people did not expect. If we could just bring up those figures for the Congress party as well, more than 25 seats at the end of the day. 27 in all is that final figure. And if you look at the breakup then for the NDA, the BJP and its allies, you can see what a dismal picture it has presented for that alliance. The BJP at 53 seats and its allies scoring a few more to add up to a total of 58.
The brothers Bihari, Nitish and Lalu, pulling off a stunning win. The BJP decimated in a bitterly fought election that saw the Prime Minister as the face of its campaign. An election that had pitted Amit Shah against Nitish's formidable election strategist Prashant Kishore.
आरजेडी, जेडीयू और कांग्रेस तीनों ने पूरी एकजुटता का परिचय दिया है। इसलिए हम सब मिलकर इस मैंडेट के अनुरूप काम करेंगे। एक सशक्त विकल्प और सशक्त विपक्ष की चाहत लोग रखते हैं।
यहाँ कोई झंझट नहीं है। असली झंझट हम करने वाले हैं दिल्ली के गद्दी पर।
The big surprise of this election, however, is Lalu Prasad Yadav. The RJD has emerged as the single largest party, beating all expectations. But Lalu was clear Nitish would be the boss. Though it's also clear Lalu will have a significant say in the new government. Will he ask for the Deputy Chief Minister's post for one of his children?
और जितने भी विधायक जीत के आ रहे हैं उनकी ये होगी आगे की मंत्री बने या सरकार जो गठित होता है उसमें उनका क्या रोल होगा। बहन होने के नाते अगर मेरे भाई बनते हैं तो कौन बहन नहीं चाहेगी।
For the BJP, the verdict has come as a huge shock. The party prematurely started celebrating in Patna this morning based on initial trends that came in on TV channels. A short while later, the crackers disappeared and the post-mortem began.
बिहार के जनादेश को बहुत ही विनम्रता से स्वीकार करते हैं। हम जनता के आदेश का सम्मान करते हैं।
There has to be a congenial development. Anyone who breaches all this code of normal civil conduct will have to be shown the door.
The other major surprise, the Congress's comeback, leading Rahul Gandhi to launch this attack on the Prime Minister.
जो एरोगेंस नरेंद्र मोदी जी में घुस गई है, मैं चाहता हूं कि वो इस एरोगेंस को थोड़ा हटाएं, थोड़ा कम करें।
So will Nitish Kumar now emerge as the Prime Ministerial candidate for the 2019 polls?
बिहार के इस नतीजे ने ये साबित कर दिया है कि इस देश के लोग नफरत की राजनीति नहीं चाहते।
BJP loses, India is saved. As Mamta Di said in this morning, this is a victory for tolerance over intolerance.
The joys of the victory apart, it remains to be seen how tea leaders so different in their work style and personalities will get down to the business of governing Bihar, a state where Vikas or development has been the buzzword, at least in the last decade. In Patna with camera person Vishwajit Das, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.